Good morning, my lovely viewers. It's time for me to do another workout, weightlifting outdoors in the garden in my personal gym. But before I do that, I have to put something in my system, and I think I'll go for a smoothie out of blueberries and bananas. In the meantime, while I'm having my smoothie, I like to dress to get outdoors to do the workout. I like to add a lot of layers because if I feel cold, I'm not doing it anymore. So I have to have on myself a lot of layers, and if I feel warm, that's the go for me to do it. And if I feel warm, I will do it. If I feel cold, I will stop and I will go inside the house. I also like to take with me a neck warmer or a neck coil, I think it's called, and a headband. And now I need to put them on. Usually I do that in front of the mirror, but I don't have a mirror, but I have a screen that I can see myself. Okay, and hair has to be tied up today. Usually I keep it in a braid. That's the most comfortable for weightlifting or any sport. But today I will do a messy bun, something like this. A lot of hair. And now the headband. Where is the headband? And now I'm ready. The only thing that is missing is glove, skipping rope to warm up myself, and my notebook where I keep everything. Now let's go outside. Done with my workout. I feel great. I've been able to reach again my best record at 40 kilos deadlift, Romanian deadlift, which is super good for me. I feel so proud of myself, and I hope that this video will inspire you to look after yourself, to take your health in your own hands. Nobody will do it, not your mom, not your dad, not your wife, not your husband, not God, not your guardian angel. Nobody will do it. Not your coach, not your best friend. Nobody. You are the one who are in charge for your health, for your well-being, for your mental health, and you start to move things around. Nobody will do it for you. This is my message, and I hope that you get inspired to push yourself to the best version of yourself. Don't forget to like my video, don't forget to click the subscribe button, don't forget to click the bell, and until the next time, stay safe, stay strong, and all the best. Bye bye.